First Warning Weather with Jim Spencer.
Well, we've just received more photographs of the fire caused by lightning tonight out near Dripping Springs. This is actually in the Fitzhugh area, which is just a few miles from the Dripping Springs location there. A couple of miles east of Ranch Road 12 is actually where this lightning fire was on Fitzhugh Road. Neighbors report that there are very few fire hydrants out in the area, and it burned for a long time. It's completely engulfed in flames within about 30 minutes. Well, tonight we continue with the threat of more lightning. A severe thunderstorm watch continues until midnight tonight, including the Austin metro area and surrounding counties. But as we look at the radar right now, let's go to Viper radar here, and we'll see as we put this in motion. Now, I want you to see the beginning time here, 5:30. Watch how all of this comes together here this afternoon. Several clusters of storms then congeal along a cold front and move on southeast into the area. And as you can see, as we look at the very latest image, our current image, we continue to have rainfall in and around the metro area. Some lightning out there, too. Very little in the way of cloud-to-ground strikes here around Austin and Williams and Travis Hayes County. But down here in southern Hayes County, toward extreme southern Caldwell County, that's a little stronger thunderstorm that continues to move off to the east and southeast. So we'll keep a close eye on it for you. We don't think there's going to be a lot of additional activity, but what we have seen quite a bit of is rain here this evening. Let's go to the storm profiler, and I'm going to put on here the storm estimated rainfall totals, and you can see where the heaviest was. A funny thing, the airport tonight not receiving any measurable rain, 0. But you look out here to the west, and we have some rain gauge reports tonight coming in at 2.5 inches from northern Hayes County, south of the Lakeway area, some 2.5-inch rainfall totals, 2.5 inches in and around Johnson City, and some 1 to 2 inch rainfall totals out in northern Gillespie and southern parts of Llano County. And I have to show you one more thing. I have never seen anything like this. If you didn't hear about it, an incredible hailstorm hit Oklahoma City yesterday, and you are looking at the videotape from some of the larger hailstones that fell. I've seen hail hit a swimming pool before, but I have never seen anything like what you are about to see here. This hailstorm produced tennis ball to grapefruit size hail across northwest Oklahoma City, and then it moved southeast across that metro area all the way down to Tinker Air Force Base. Probably the most damaging storm in that city's history. Injured 21 people. You don't have hail injure people real often. 21 people had to be taken to the hospital yesterday in Oklahoma City because of the incredible size and intensity of this hailstorm across the northern and eastern part of that city. People were in parking lots, all examining their cars after it was over, windows blown out across the city. Have you ever seen anything like that? Amazing. Maybe one of the worst hailstorms in history in terms of the whatever the final damage estimate will be. We don't know, but that is just out of this world. I don't think I've ever seen anything like it. All right, the rain that we saw today along a front that has moved into the area. The worst is over for us tonight, but this front is going to become stationary in the area tomorrow. We could see additional showers or thunderstorms flare up tomorrow, but then after tomorrow, I'm afraid the rest of the week and even into the weekend is going to look like the start of this month did, with return to hotter than normal and drier than normal conditions. These are current temperatures. Rain cooled out there pretty nice. We're in the 60s right now. Officially, we still have a thunderstorm in the metro area, 69 to 71 degrees on the thermometer with 7 to 12 mile-per-hour winds. We had high mold today and low grass. Temperatures around Texas. Rain cool to the north, warm and humid to the south. Our lows tonight won't drop very much from where they are now, at least in areas that have seen rain. And highs tomorrow, very warm and humid into the upper 80s. Few showers and thunderstorms lingering tonight in 68. Tomorrow, let's go 88. Partly cloudy, but then an afternoon shower or thunderstorm could form again. On the 7-day forecast, we'll go 30% tomorrow. Let's go 20% Wednesday. And then I'm not liking this because from Thursday through the weekend, although we do deserve a entirely nice and dry weekend, we will see very summer-like conditions, low to mid-90s and mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. Sean will have the latest on the weather for you in the morning. Weather and traffic together, of course, every 10 minutes, beginning at 5.